Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, I welcome you all on board with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Today's topic is the introduction and a preface of the subject Pharmacognosy, which includes a series of lectures in different parts. This is the third part of the lectures. But before that, hi everyone, I am Tariq Sultan, the creator of the preface of the subject Pharmacognosy and comprehensive pharmacognosy review video channel.
Let's discuss quickly the uses of some medicinal plants. Aloe vera. This is used for healing burns and wound healing. Artichoke is used for the reduction in cholesterol level. Blackberry reduces the wrinkling of skin and aging effect. Buffon distica. This is used for the treatment of mental disorders. Calendula officinalis is used for the treatment of constipation and cramps. Cranberry is effective in treating urinary tract infections in women. Echinacea is used for action against rhinovirus colds. Elderberry is used for the treatment of influenza. Feverfew is used for the cure of migraine. Garlic is responsible for lowering the cholesterol level. Ginger decreases the nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. Grapefruit is used for the treatment of obesity. Ginkgo in the product form, it is used to cure Alzheimer's disease. German chamomile is a famous antispasmodic. Green tea may cure the breast cancer. Moringa. The other names are drumstick tree, miracle tree, bannoil tree, horseradish tree, or sahanjana in Indo-Pak subcontinent. The medicinal properties include antifungal, antidepressant, and anti-inflammatory. The healthful compounds include vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. The benefits include extremely low in fats and contains no harmful cholesterol. Let's discuss the 16 benefits of moringa. Protecting and nourishing skin, treating edema, protecting the liver, preventing and treating cancer, treating stomach complaints, fighting against bacterial diseases, making bones healthier, treating mood disorders, protecting the cardiovascular system, helping wounds to heal, treating diabetes, treating asthma, protecting against kidney disorders, reducing high blood pressure, improving eye health, treating anemia and sickle cell disease. Equally important are the side effects of moringa. Moringa may possess anti-fertility qualities and is therefore not recommended for pregnant women. The green or purple radish pods have a common name in Indo-Pak subcontinent by the name of mongra. The ingredients include ascorbic acid, folic acid, potassium, vitamin B6, riboflavin, magnesium, copper and calcium. 20 calories largely from carbohydrates are present in 1 cup of sliced red radish bulbs. The green radish pods are used as an alternative treatment for whooping cough, cancer, coughs, gastric discomfort, liver problems, constipation, dyspepsia, gallbladder problems, arthritis, gallstones, and intestinal disorders.
If this video helped you learn the pharmacognosy subject, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in future with other helpful animations, hit that subscribe button. By this, you will get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. Lastly, if you want me to seek and cover any other leftover issues, suggest a comment below on how I build my listed videos to create. I hope you have enjoyed it and I hope to see you next time. Bye.